So.
Okay. All right. Now, we've got the aftermarket cooler and fan on here. Got the RAM on it. We got everything ready. Now I need to take this back off because we'll need that in a minute. So now we've got the plug in it too. So now we lay the motherboard, and this has got to go through the plug. So we lay the motherboard in there, like that. And it's got to go through the plug.
Yeah. A little bit.
Uh-oh. There with your phone. Well, Mr. Riley said he had it in there, but guess what? It wasn't in there.
Cut my finger. It's sharp.
Well, when you cut your finger, it was over with, wasn't it? Okay, so let's try this again.
Now look at that.
Okay. Now then, it's in there. Now then, what we got to do now, we've got these coarse thread screws. And we put one right there. Now, one goes here, here, and here. There's 9 total. Here, here, and here, 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 and here. There's 9 total.
You just look for the holes and put them in.
Yeah. Wait, hold up, where?
Let me get around here on the camera.
There.
Hold up, what'd you say? Like.
Okay, I've got that one right there in. Okay. Now.
Oh, there's supposed to be screws like here, here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, what I would do if I was you would be put one up here, and that would see. I've got one here, so it's gonna hold the motherboard there. That way you can push the motherboard with your hand.
Put the ones in the corner first.
Yeah. Right. You want to help her?
Hold on. Yeah, it's not want to let go of it. Yeah, I'll get the one down, like down here, over here. I need to get the ones on the top corners. I think it's like slid a little bit. Does it matter what screws you use?
No, as long as it's coarse thread. That's coarse thread.
Oh, it doesn't look like it's going in.
It's just that corner too. I think it's
Let me
like
see that one.
slid a little bit or something.
No, that's it. That's the right one. Let me get around here so I can get to it. There you go, right?
Okay. And then this one.
Here.
This is not going there either. Look at the one in that corner. Let's see. Yeah, I think the one in that corner is the last one. You think?
Yeah, have you got this one right here?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Go in.
Yeah, the ones in like the top corner, like over here,
Yeah,
are the more difficult ones.
This one's more difficult.
No, what's it?
Am I going to have to put that in for you, Ronnie?
Yep.
What is it? Okay, I got it.
Got it? Okay. No, Riley, I'm not even gonna say anything about you letting your 13-year-old female cousin beat you on the screw and the
It's fine.
motherboard
She's
in.
actually 14. She's 14.
It's fine.
Is she 14? Are you turned 14 already?
October?
Oh, goodness. Okay.
It's fine.
I turned 14 and
26?
in 9 days.
Okay, take that and set it on the table. Now, the next thing we got to put in, ladies and gents, is a power supply.
So
Now,
put it in like right there.
I think so.
what does a power supply do?
It gives power, holds
With the
power,
computer.
gives the
To
computer
the entire
power.
computer, right?
Yes.
Yes.
It goes
Now-
like right there.
How
Now,
about-
this is a 650 watt power supply,
That's a lot of
and
lights.
it's dual rail.
What's the point?
Now
Stop
what,
flossing.
now what dual rail means is that it's got two rails that it runs off of. It doesn't just depend on one side.
Mm-hmm.
It's got two sides it can run off of. Those are the screws that holds it in. Now, so what we do, if you'll notice, there's an opening at the back. That's where the heat goes out. There's a fan here that's got to go up so it can pull wind from the computer. Can you see those holes?
Nope. It's like crooked. Yeah, like it's like it's crooked.
Okay. Let me get right here, and you back up with that camera so that you can get the picture.
You need to see right there. That should be good.
Right.
Turn it that way.
All
Is it
right.
like that?
Yeah, right here is going to be one.
There we go. Yeah.
Right here's going to be the second one. Is Grace 13 or 14?
Grace is 13.
13. Okay, I thought y'all was both the same exact age.
I'm a few months older than her.
How much is a few? I don't know. I don't remember.
Is it bad that I don't know when her
anybody's
birthday is? It's like April, I think.
birthday. Wait,
Okay.
Ah.
Zelda, take the screwdriver, tighten up them 4 bolts right there.
I only remember my month of birthday, your month of birthday.
A lot of
I
people
think-
don't.
I think mom's birthday's in September.
Your mom's birthday's October.
Mom's birthday's October the 30th.
I forgot.
That's my friend's birthday.
She's a Halloween young'un. You didn't know that?
Yeah, my friend was supposed to be born on Halloween, but she's born on the 30th.
What month were you born in, Popo?
March.
Oh, so your birthday's coming up.
Mm-hmm.
My birthday's coming up too.
My birthday's
That'll be
only in
fun.
October.
Okay, you got them good and snug?
Mm-hmm. Just make sure.
Okay. Now, guys, what we got to do now is to hook everything up and make everything compatible. That's real easy said. Not real easy done. Okay.
As you can see,
Now.
there's all these cords.
Yes. Alright, the first thing we need to do is we need to take some of these cords and do something with them. Like for instance, that right there is your 3.0. It's going to go right there. I'm going to hook the main one up first. And this is a HDT. That's your sound. Okay. Now, you're going to have to come over here. Now, I'll tell you how you can tell. Now, if it's a USB, there'll be a pin missing right here on the end. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
If it's sound, there'll be a pin missing, but it's not on the end. It's the second one in. Okay? So, you can look right over here, and that right there is your sound. You see what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
See right there, it's got a pin missing, the second one in.
Mm-hmm.
That is your sound. So you take that and stick it right there. Now to give you sound to your motherboard. Now, this one right here, we don't have to have this little thing on it, but we'll leave it on there. But this is USB hookup. We'll put it right there and hook it up. Now, this right here is your main power hookup to your motherboard.
Mm-hmm.
So, look in yonder in my den and see if I don't have a flashlight in there.
I have a flashlight on my phone.
Huh?
I have one on my phone.
Yeah, I got one in there though that it's got a light longer than your phone.
Oh.
It's a lot brighter too.
Yep.
That one went right there.
Yep. Now, let's see. I need that. Okay, yeah, see the camera will pick it up better if it's got light on it like this.
Yeah.
Alright, now then, this right here is your 3.0. So right there is where your 3.0 goes. Now if you'll notice, you see it's got a little lineup pin right here.
Mm.
It's got pins all the way on the bottom, but there's a lineup pin in the center. You'll notice right there, it's got a lineup pin in the center. So right there is where that goes. Now all of these are your wires to your front of your computer. Where did I stick? Here it is. Now, so what we got to do is to hook all these wires up to this, and that way we can easily stick it to the motherboard. So, the first thing we need to do, where's our reset switch? The reset switch, right there. Okay, see it says reset on it. Okay, now, if you'll notice, it has a gray and a black wire on every one of them.
Yeah.
Your black wire is going to be, right here is how you can always tell. You go to this one, this is a separate one. It only has one wire. You see the negative, that means it's a ground.
Mm-hmm.
And it's black. So therefore, when all your rest of them, your black is going to be your ground. So on your reset, if you look on this, it'll tell you that the ground's on this side, your positive's on the other side.
Yeah.
So we want the gray on that side, and we want the ground on this side. Okay, so that's got our reset hooked up. Now we need our power. Okay, here's power. It goes right there. Now we need the HDD lead. Okay, what does HDD mean?
High definition something.
Maybe?
It's what makes your hard drive work.
That's probably not high definition anything.
Okay, it goes right there. Now, that only leaves us two more. Okay, and these are our power, positive, and negative. This is one that's got power on it all the time. Okay, So if you look right here on this side says positive, so that means we need to put the gray right there. That side says negative, so we need to put the black right there.
I'm filming too.
Have you got it?
I was focusing.
It's trying to focus.
Alright, so now then, all we got to do now is to take this and take it down right here.
Can you get some light on it?
Did you get the focus?
Yeah, let me get some light on it. Shove it on the motherboard. Now you could actually take these pins and hook it up directly to the motherboard without this little adapter. But that little adapter sure does make it a lot easier. Okay.
The focus would be so much easier.
And mine's focused.
Now then, the next thing we need to do is we need to start hooking up these fans.
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute, what is this one? That's a USB, and that's from the front of the computer. So we'll just come over here and hook that darn up right there. That's a USB 2.0 is what that is. And we got one more 2.0 we can hook up if we need to. Alright, now this is a fan hookup. This is a fan hookup. So what we're going to do right here is fan hookups. We are going to hook this one right there.
This might not be the best recording.
No, mine's okay.
Oh, so
Mine's
where?
not fixed for a little
You
bit.
see it?
Yeah.
Alright, there's another one right in front of that. And that's where we're going to hook this one to. Now,
I told my friend I was helping build a computer and he didn't believe me.
is he on Facebook?
Yes, he is. Like he's tech savvy too. So
Well, what I'm saying is after we get all this done, we can always post this on Facebook.
I've already posted some on Facebook. I posted a picture and a video, and I posted this one too.
I'm going
Alright,
to post it.
Yeah.
so now this is one of my fans. And I'm going to put that right there.
Get that? Can you get a good shot of that one?
And where's my other fan? Here's my other fan.
There.
And, well, I tell you what I might have to do. Let's undo this one. And we'll bring this one up and hook this one right there. And this one, we'll bring it across and under all this stuff. So it's always fun getting all these wires straight. So what we're going to have to do, this is going to be hooked by the front of the CPU. And we're going to take this one.
I'm there, the koozie.
Okay, sorry.
Koozie. What are you talking about, boy?
I'm so
See that pin right there?
Uh-huh.
That's where this one's going to have to go.
Zoom it out a little bit.
Zoom it in a little bit.
I just winked at the camera.
I'll tell you what. This is right in my blooming way.
So much in here. I don't even.
Oh yeah. Well, everything's compact.
This might not be the best recording for the audio.
I may have to do a little editing on that recording.
Maybe a little, just a little bit.
Maybe
I'm
a
not
little bit of
posting mine,
like
this is the
re-recording.
Unedited.
You have to go at the end, re-record, say where everything goes. Edit the audio out. Put some like, elevated music in it.
Well, I'll just say, we're re-recording this one because Riley messed it up.
It's fine. Maybe, I don't know. It's probably all good. It's fine.
Okay, now then.
But we're leaving the coozing part in.
Yeah, absolutely.
Now then, where'd the other one go to? Oh, it went over here. No wonder I couldn't find it.
We need a good cameraman. And I'm not the greatest cameraman. We need like one of those NFL cameramen.
Are you talking about a pro?
ESPN.
Sure.
ESPN cameraman. Get a professional. We need a professional cameraman for this.
Focus. Okay.
Papa, you're probably a professional cameraman.
I mean, he is the YouTuber of the family.
I mean, I posted YouTube videos, but I deleted them.
Well, never mind. Aunt Tammy's,
Oh yeah, she is a YouTuber.
She's the YouTuber of the family.
She's a YouTuber.
Who?
Aunt Tammy.
Oh, yeah.
She posts like every day.
With her like multiple times a day.
She posts every day.
She's dedicated. Like, there's some.
She likes her Sims.
There's some YouTubers that's like, I'm gonna post
like
once every 3 weeks, once every month. She does it like 5 to 10 times a day.
2 times a day.
Okay, I finally got that one in.
Go
So
ahead.
now then.
We record it, see where everything goes again. So it'll be a pain.
I am going to have to hook that back up.
Gotta get that shameless self promo.
Huh?
I shaved.
Okay. What do we got? Stuff underneath it. Okay.
Not the wax.
That hurts.
Now then, shut it off, right? Papa needs a break.